yeah, it's very shiny but not sticky at all. Oh, I'm speechless guys with this product. Also my first time to try a serum, and I have nothing bad to say, and I can't stop looking at my camera, looking at my face. My face looks so nice. It's like I'm having a glass skin. Look at this guys. My face is really shiny and wow. All I can say is wow. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you another skincare review, and this is Yuja Niacin 30 Days Brightening Solution 4-Step Kit Edition by Shopee. So they sent me this product 2 weeks ago, but I forgot the exact date. So before I started using this product, I wanted to show you my before photo. As you can see, I have a dull, dark skin. Maybe you will not notice my skin because every time I do my vlog, I'm always wearing my makeup in my previous vlogs, and now this is my bare face without makeup. So right now I have no makeup, and I wanted to show you my real skin without makeup. So I'm worried about my freckles and discoloration on my face, and I also have a sensitive, oily, and dry skin. First guys, let's talk about the product. Now I'm going to show you their product. Okay, they have 4 products here. So this is the Yuja Toner 30 ml, clear and clean the skin base. They also have here the serum 10 ml for blemishes, spots, and freckle care. And this is the sleeping mask 20 grams for intensive brightening all night. They also have here the sunscreen 25 ml mineral tone up skincare. And this product also has a 3 years lifespan. So by the way guys, what is Yuja Niacin Brightening Solution 4-Step Kit?
Yuja Niacin Brightening Solution 4-Step Kit. Vita energy from Gohong Yuja to awake the skin glow. A high content of Gohong Yuja raised in Jeonla province, where possess abundant sunlight and cool sea breeze, helps to moisturize and purify your skin. Furthermore, precious Yuja peel oil, which can only be extracted 1 liter from 600 kilograms of fresh Yuja, provides an authentic Yuja fragrance. A brightening ingredient, niacinamide refines skin into close-up confident skin. Contains a brightening agent, niacinamide, to elevate freckles and melasma. Skin irritation testing completed, 20 free of worrisome chemicals. A small, repetitive stimulus can cause sensitive skin. We excluded the worrisome ingredient as much as possible.
And here is my video on how to use or steps using the Yuja Niacin Brightening Solution. To make sure that you wash your face before applying these products. Since today is my day 1, I would like to show you my bare face without makeup, and here is my closer look. So I have a pimple over here, and I also have a freckles in my left cheeks, and freckles also here, and I also have a freckles here and dark spots on my right cheek. So I have 1, 2, and pimple again in my right cheek. So as you can see in my face, I have a dark forehead. So my forehead is darker than my cheek. So I don't know why. Maybe the reason is I always forgot to put sunscreen or sunblock on my face whenever I go out. And I also have oily skin. And that's it. That's my face without makeup. So now I'm going to try the products of Some by Me. So first, I'm going to use their toner, the brightening toner. And I'm going to get first my cotton. A very small cotton one. And let's try I'm very excited to try this one. So this is my first time that I'm going to try an skincare set. Let's try this one. And make sure also that you also apply toner on your neck. My neck is darker than my face, so I have again a skin discoloration, and also I don't know why. See, this is the dirt that I got on my face and my cheeks, even though I already used a facial wash. And after that, I'm going to try their serum, though this is my first time to try a serum, the Blemish Care Serum. So let's try this one. See? Wow. Look at this, guys. It's like a water and it dries quickly on my skin. So first, I'm going now to put this on my forehead, especially this blemish, this pimple, and in my freckles, left and right. Oh, and here, and then let's spread this one. Just spread the serum all over my face and in my neck. See? It dries quickly and it's not sticky. Smells so good. Look at this, guys, and my first application of the serum. It gives my skin an instant glass effect. It looks so shiny. And then the next one that I will going to put my face is this one, the Yuja Niacin Brightening Sleeping Mask. The brightening and moisturizing special care. So let's try this one also. And then let's try, oh, it's, the color is like yellowish. It's like a water gel. Let's see. It's just like a water and it dries quickly. Now I'm going to put this on my face again, especially this pimple. Oh. And also, guys, don't forget to put sleeping mask on your neck so that we can achieve the even skin tone, maybe. And then let's spread it again. Oh, look at this, guys. What happened? First application of these products. So my skin looks shiny, but as I've told you, even though it's shiny, it's not oily. It makes my skin moisturized. A while ago, my skin looks dry, and now, guys, look at that shiny effect on my skin. Wow, it's amazing. This is just a first application, but I think I already achieved the glass skin. I'm excited to share with you guys, and I will be back after 14 days, I think. Since today is daytime, I'm going to show you how to use this product on my face during daytime. You can use this every time you go out, so it has a sunscreen protection. And so let's start using this product. So first, I'm going to use this toner. So make sure that you already wash your face using your favorite facial wash, and you can get piece of cotton. Okay, and then apply this on your forehead first. And a little bit again. And also don't forget to put toner also on your neck. I really love the smell of this. It's like you're putting a real lemon on your face. And that's it. As you can see, guys, even though I already washed my face, there is still a dirt in the cotton. For that, I'm going to put a little bit serum on my face. So this is the serum. Very mild on my skin, even though I have a sensitive skin. And then I'm going to put this in my pimple over there and in my freckles also. I have a freckles here, but then you will not notice it in my previous video because, as I've told you before a while ago, I'm always covering it with my makeup because I'm always wearing my makeup every time I do my vlogs. So I have also a pimple over here, and then after that a little bit on my nose, and then we're going to spread it. Look at this, guys. My skin became more glowing. Okay, let's massage my face. Okay, I'm done. It quickly dries. See? It's not sticky. And then after that, this is also one of my favorite one. I'm going to use this Yuja Niacin Mineral 100 Brightening Sunscreen. Look at the effect of this cream on my face. See, I'm going to put that first. My nose. And that. And also on my neck. See, that first. And then I'm going to spread this one. Spread. And also in the neck. And now I'm done also. So this is my face after putting a toner, serum, and its brightening sunscreen. My skin became more whiter than a while ago because this brightening sunscreen has a instant whitening effect. In the first application, you will notice that your skin became more whiter than a while ago. And yeah, it's very shiny but not sticky at all. Oh, I'm speechless, guys, with this product. So now I'm going to give my final review about this product after using this for several days. And look at my toner now. It's already running out. It improves my skin condition. And I like also the good taste of their sleeping mask because it makes my skin more moisturized and whiter and a rejuvenated, brightened skin. I also love these products because it has 4 items of Yuja Niacin line from in miniature size, which are also good for traveling. So if you love to travel, you can bring these 4 items, and because it's too small, you can bring this anywhere. I also love the texture felt in my skin because it easily absorbs my skin, especially this one, the brightening mask and the brightening sunscreen. I really like the smell of lemon, and it's like you're putting a real lemon on your face. As we all know that lemon is one of the ingredients that makes our skin more lighter and brighter. I didn't have any breakout, and they did it very well on my skin. Also my first time to try a serum, and I have nothing bad to say, and I can't stop looking at my camera, looking at my face. My face looks so nice. It's like I'm having a glass skin. Look at this, guys. My face is really shiny, and wow. All I can say is wow. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and I will put the link in the description box down below. So if you have any questions, just comment down below, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I uploaded a new video. Thank you again for watching. Bye!